How to add an external link to your Instagram bio. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can add an external link to your Instagram bio. So first of all, open your Instagram and then you'll have to search for your profile and then click on your profile at the bottom right. And now here you'll be able to see the option edit profile. So just click on that. After clicking on that, you'll be able to see this option links and add links. So just click on add links and then on add external link. Now here you'll have to paste the URL of the website that you want to link on your bio. For example, I'm just going to write www.xyz.co.uk and give it a title that what is this website about. For example, I write my shop. This is just an example. It's not an actual website. So after writing that, just click on done. Now you can also add other external links if you want to. Just come back and you'll be able to see that in the link section there is one written. That means you have added one link. Go back and now you'll be able to see this link on your profile. So just click on that and whenever someone clicks on the link, they'll be redirected to your shop. But since it was just a draft link, so that's why I don't know where I'm directed to. So anyways, this was how you can add any external link to your Instagram